Understanding active voice in informal writing. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of informal writing styles and explore a key characteristic: the use of active voice. Understanding how to effectively use active voice in informal writing can greatly enhance your communication skills and make your writing more engaging. So, let's get started. Active voice is a grammatical structure where the subject of a sentence performs the action expressed by the verb. In other words, the subject is the doer of the action. Using active voice brings clarity and directness to your writing, making it more lively and engaging. Let's look at an example to better understand the concept. Passive voice: the cake was eaten by Tom. Active voice: Tom ate the cake. In the passive voice sentence, the cake is the subject and the action of eating is performed by Tom. However, in the active voice sentence, Tom becomes the subject, making the sentence more concise and direct. Using active voice in informal writing offers several advantages. 1. Clarity. Active voice makes it clear who is performing the action, allowing the reader to understand the message more easily. 2. Conciseness. Active voice often results in shorter, more concise sentences. This can make your writing more engaging and prevent it from becoming wordy or convoluted. 3. Directness. Active voice enables you to convey your ideas directly, giving your writing a more assertive and confident tone. 4. Engagement. Active voice helps to create a connection between the writer and the reader. By presenting the subject as the doer of the action, you involve the reader more actively in the narrative. Let's take a look at some examples of active voice in informal writing. 1. Passive voice: the car was driven by Mary. Active voice: Mary drove the car. 2. Passive voice: the report was written by John. Active voice: John wrote the report. 3. Passive voice: the movie was directed by Steven Spielberg. Active voice: Steven Spielberg directed the movie. By using active voice, you can see how the sentences become more direct and engaging. It gives the reader a clearer understanding of who is taking action. To effectively use active voice in your writing, consider the following tips. 1. Identify the subject. Determine who or what is performing the action in the sentence. 2. Place the subject at the beginning. Position the subject as the first element in the sentence to emphasize its role as the doer of the action. 3. Use strong verbs. Choose active and dynamic verbs that express the action clearly and vividly. This adds energy to your writing. 4. Practice active sentence construction. Rewrite passive voice sentences in active voice to reinforce your understanding and develop your skills. Congratulations! You've now gained a solid understanding of active voice in informal writing. By using active voice, you can make your writing more engaging, direct, and clear. Remember to identify the subject, place it at the beginning of the sentence, and use strong verbs to bring your writing to life. Keep practicing, and soon active voice will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on English language learning. See you next time.